Here's a list of 5 features that we love on the all-new DJI Mini 3 Pro. Gonna break down those features and show you guys some amazing footage right here in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Patrick here with Drone Nerds. The all-new DJI Mini 3 Pro is here. Let's talk about some of the features right off the bat. You got 4K video, under 249 grams in weight. You got obstacle avoidance, you got vertical shooting, the all-new extended battery as well. Lots of really cool things going on with this drone, but let's talk about the top 5 things that I love with the Mini 3 Pro. Right off the bat, the first thing you're gonna notice when filming with the Mini 3 Pro is the quality. The 4K video looks amazing. HDR CMOS sensor. This sensor looks amazing. This is coming from a little tiny handheld drone, little pocket-sized drone. Look at this footage. Are you not absolutely blown away at how high quality and how amazing this footage looks? This is right out of the box as well. No color grading, no changes, not cine-like or anything like that. And you can see right away how crisp and how clean this 4K video is coming from the Mini 3 Pro. So my second feature that I love with this drone is the gimbal. It allows you to tilt all the way up and do some really cool reveals. You've also got the vertical feature for Instagram, for shooting videos, for stories and things like that. You can now shoot in vertical. You no longer need to crop in. You want to film a sunset for your Instagram, you want to film the beaches for your reels, you can capture that full quality image shooting in vertical mode. I flew the Mini 3 Pro in some pretty difficult conditions as well, probably around 20 to 30 mile an hour winds, and the footage was still smooth as butter. So the gimbal itself is definitely a noteworthy feature with the ability to tilt up. You can now look up under things, you can do those reveals, and having the ability to turn the camera vertical up and down for filming is a really cool feature. So my third feature that I really love with the Mini 3 Pro is the battery life. I was really impressed right out of the box how long the battery lasted at 34 minutes with the normal battery. You can now buy the 47-minute extended battery as well. That's going to give you 47 minutes of flight time. This is a pocket-sized drone, little tiny drone, right? Little tiny drone that you can fly up to 47 minutes. You can travel with maybe 1 or 2 batteries and still be able to film everything that you want to film just with those 2 batteries, especially with the extended battery. The Mini 3 Pro has tons of power and tons of get up and go, and it's an awesome benefit to have that long of battery life. I mean, over 30 minutes is a really cool feature here with the Mini 3 Pro. The fourth feature that I love is the size. This little tiny drone can fit in my backpack, it can go in my pocket, it can go pretty much anywhere at this point. Almost smaller than my iPhone, but it's ready to unfold and ready to get to work right away. It's really simple. You just unfold it, you're ready to go. You get out there and film some amazing 4K video. Like I said, this camera shoots amazing 4K video. And with a drone this size, it allows you to literally just throw it in your purse, throw it in your backpack. If you're traveling, you don't need to have a whole entire drone case. You can do it all right there with the Mini 3 Pro. And there's a reason that it's called the Mini, because it really is so small. My fifth feature that I really love with the Mini 3 Pro is actually the controller itself. The new smart controller that you can buy has an amazing screen. It comes ready to go. It already has the app loaded on there. It's got everything. It's really simple. I love the stick features. It's got the new O3 video transmission as well. So when I was flying here in Hawaii, I never really lost connection. I always felt like I was connected to the drone, even when I was further down the beach and, you know, flying around buildings or flying around trees or even the mountains. I never lost connection. So the new controller, the new connection, the video transmission is really good, really clean, and it works great. And I love the form and function of the new smart controller that comes with the Mini 3 Pro. To sum it all up, what you're getting is a tiny mini drone that shoots 4K video, that lasts for over 30 minutes when you're flying, that has a smart controller with a built-in screen. So many cool features, so little time to talk about all of the features. There's the panorama, there's photos, the HDR, there's so many things that you can do. You can really dial in this image, and I think at the end of the day, when it comes down to wanting to capture the best quality footage, having a drone that's simple and easy to use is key. but also having a drone like the Mini 3 Pro that allows you to just throw it in your backpack, throw it in your purse, and get those shots when you need them also makes it even easier. You know, size is not always important, and the Mini 3 Pro proves that by showing that even a little tiny drone like the one that you're seeing right here can shoot amazing 4K video. If you guys haven't already, check out dronenerds.com to learn more about the Mini 3 Pro. Definitely check them out, and also put your order in. Get that Mini 3 Pro ready for summer adventures.